Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. So I haven't made a video in a long time about an updated video on how to clean the VCR heads. I did one a few years back and I just wanted to make an updated video and just go over a couple of new things just to teach you. That way you have a VCR that doesn't work. Like I picked up these two VCRs basically online, and someone just local Facebook says I don't want them anymore, they don't work, whatever, or some people just don't want them anymore. And you can fix these super easy. A lot of times they power up most of the time, and usually it's a head cleaning or cleaning the tracking. Another new thing you have to learn about cleaning the tracking is very important. So I have this already cleaned in service, but I just want to go over with you what I did, and I want to show you how I did it. That way you can learn how to do it. So basic VCR, usually have a couple of screws. There's a screw here, one side, screw on the other side here, and there's one on the back. And I'll just pop up, it's already been taken off. So let me just pop up the cover. And these usually just open up just like this, super easy, and pop this open. Now, 99% of all the VCRs that you're gonna find out there, put this down, look just like this. We have a head. This is the video head. This reads the information from the tape, okay, magnetic tape. We have an audio head here, audio head here. You get either flying erase heads, all kind of different heads as the VCRs evolved. And right here is the tracking. So this is a little tracking laser, a little tracking device right here that actually does the automatic tracking for the tape. Sometimes you get those lines that go through the tape, and let's see those lines like going through your video. This is the tracking device here, this here. Most of the VCRs have this tracker. You have to clean this too, really easy. So you want to clean the head, you want to clean the audio heads, and you want to clean the tracking. Okay, right here. As long as everything rolls up correctly and feeds in correctly, it should work. And then the pinch roller right here, this is a pinching roller. This pinches the tape together, over here. This pinches the tape together and keeps things rolling through the system. And usually, sometimes these wear out, but these are usually pretty good shape most of the time, unless it's really, really in bad conditions. Let me just show you exactly how to do this. So what I do use is these old video swabs that I've had for like 100 years, and I'm almost out of them. And these are really old. You can't get these anymore. So I have updated ones that I'm going to order when I run out of these. So if you have any kind of chamois, this is like a chamois material. This is what you want to use. And basically an alcohol base cleaner like this here, or even isopropyl alcohol will work for you. Any type of real alcohol, honestly. I would buy the 90% alcohol. They have them, you can get it at Walmart, things like that. Bean container, you know, the better, the higher the alcohol containing, the higher the alcohol, the faster it evaporates, alcohol level. So what you want to do is just take your swab, and you just want to get it wet, okay? I try to get it nice and wet. As you can see how it's getting wet. And let's put this to the side here. And what you want to do, let me just get a close up and show you. I really want you to see this.
Hey guys, just want to say thank you so much for stopping at this video and watching. I really do appreciate that. If I brought you some value and helped you out in any way, please consider that super thanks. Everything I do raise goes back into the channel to make more videos just like this. All right, let's get back into it.
So when you clean the head, okay, you never put your fingers on the head. You always put your fingers on the top. You put this on the side of the head. Okay, and you want to put your finger on top here, and you just want to roll it this way. And what this does, it keeps the grease and the oils away that's on your fingers, and you just want to just roll this around, go one way, direction like this here. Either direction you want, just one direction. Light pressure. And you can see here a little bit of dirt, not bad, because I already did clean this. Want to show you how to do that. And they clean the audio heads, okay? Again, same idea. You just want to just go back and forth like this, right? And also on here, clean that right here, back and forth. And that's pretty much it. Now the tracking part is right under here. Let me get a close up of that. There's the tracking area there. Again, you want to just give it a little swipe. Sometimes, a lot of time it's just dust, honestly, on these that'll cause your tracking to be off. Automatically it'll shut it down. All kinds of problems this will cause if you don't have this clean. So make sure you clean that. So those are the main things you have to clean. And the other thing I do is that I always have a little air blower, and I like to blow if there's any dust or any dirt. I like to do that as well. Again, I have an air duster. I don't buy the canned air. There's no sense for that. I use this here, and I love this. I've had this for about a year now, and fantastic. And just put on low. And you just want to just blow and dry everything off. And make sure you get into that area where that sensor is, like I told you, right in here. And just make sure it's dry, like get that in there, and that clean any dust or any dirt off. That'll really help. Just get in there and clean all this off and dry it up. And that is it. And if you enjoyed this video, and if I brought you some value, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share the video with everybody else who has VCRs they pick up on the side of the road, or their family VCR and they want to get it to work. This is a really good tip on how to do it. Super easy. Make sure it's unplugged, of course, and then let's just check it out, make sure it works. Okay, I'm just going to pop a tape in. Now this VCR, you have to pop the tape in, you have to press play to get it going. It's loading. Gonna hit play. And there you go, right here. It's playing perfectly. Now this VCR did not work when I first got it. This is the Aladdin tape. You can see how clean that video is. There's no issues at all with tracking. The sound is fantastic. Stop that. Loud. And that's it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.